Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki KLX300 Supermoto. This is the dirt bike style with the street tires. Super fun hooligan type bike to just bang around town. This one's got an engine guard, hand guards, and bar end mirrors, but they're kind of mounted inside. Only 1,300 miles on this beautiful black and blue Supermoto. Price to sell at just $53.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.